Yes, come in. Please sit. I would be with you in a jiffy. I said you should have your seat. Please, I will. Hey.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, hi. Hey, good afternoon.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Do you work here?
Yes, sir.
I haven't seen you around. Are you new?
Yes.
Oh, what's the name?
My name is Gabriela.
Gabriela. Such a nice name for a pretty lady.
Thank you, sir. Please, what would you like to have?
So I tried scanning, but it wasn't coming up. What's available?
Yes, I noticed.
What's available?
We have chicken and chips,
Okay.
shrimps, prawns, lamb chops, steaks.
Chicken and chips will do.
Chicken and chips.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Can I have a drink? A bottle of wine.
Red or white wine?
Red wine will do.
Okay, sir. The food is ready in 15 minutes.
Okay. I would love to have the drink now.
Okay, sir.
Wow. I would do this. Okay. Yeah.
Your food will be ready.
No problem.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. I was the young man at that function, the one your friend introduced you to. You asked me to send my CV via your email address. Thank you, sir. I am a first-class product from Federal University of Technology, Owerri. Civil engineering, sir. Sir? Oh, wow. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. God bless you. This means a lot to me. May God continue to bless your children's children and your 5 generations. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you. Thank you. I'm grateful, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. I'll be there on Monday morning. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Yes! 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 Ah, I have it. Finally. Yes! Yes! Ah, thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Thank you.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Um, how much is my bill?
12,500, sir.
Oh, okay. 12,500. No, have this.
Sir, I said 12,500. This is 15,000.
Yeah, I know. You can keep the change.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
One more thing. Can I have your contact, please?
It's fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Here, sir.
Okay. I'll call you. Be good.
I sure will. Thank you once again.
You're welcome.
Babes, guess what?
Baby, just tell me. You know I'm not good at guessing things now.
Oh, come on. Just try. Try a little.
I can't. Just tell me.
Okay. I got the job.
What? Are you for real this time, babes?
Uh-huh. Look, let me tell you. You are speaking to engineer George Boniface of Henze Construction Companies Limited. Does that ring a bell?
It's a lie! No, babe.
Mm-hmm.
Are you seriously kidding me this time? Like you're now secured an employment with your dream job, your dream construction company.
Look, I forwarded my application letters to the managing director directly, and he called me on the phone right away.
This is unbelievable. Who says God does not answer prayers?
Babes, God is real. Chief Henry Eze called me on the phone and asked me to come by his office on Monday morning to pick my appointment letter.
Oh my goodness. This is so good to be true. I can't believe my ears, babes.
I know. Look, babes, I just want to especially thank you for all you do for me.
You're welcome, my love.
I mean, you joined me in that 6 to 6 fasting and prayers. Thank you. I owe you my life.
No, you don't owe me your life, babes. You owe the Almighty God your life. Don't say that again, please.
Yeah, but you told me to do the prayers that you were going to join me, and you did. Thank you.
You're welcome. There is nothing unachievable in the place of prayer. You know, right?
I know. But this calls for celebrations too. Waiting to see you.
Okay.
Bye, baby. Kisses.
Love you.
I love you more.
Man, that girl is so beautiful. I think I'm falling for her already. Let me even call her. Let me call her. What's that name? Gabriella. Okay. It's ringing.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Who is this?
It's me, Raymond.
Raymond? Raymond from where?
Can't you please the voice? I'm the guy that just left your restaurant.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, Gabriella, so I want us to see and talk.
Talk about what?
Um, talk about us.
I don't get.
Yes. Okay, as funny as it sounds, I think I like you.
You think?
I'm sorry. I really like you.
But you just met me. You know nothing about me.
I know, but it doesn't matter. I mean, the heart knows what it wants, and I want us to be friends.
I am not interested.
Gabriella, I know this is coming really close, but why don't you just think about it first?
Please, I am busy. I need to get back to work. Thank you.
Gabriella, please, I need us to talk, okay? Hello, Gabriella. Why is she that mean, though?
Congratulations!
Thank you.
I'm so happy! Happy!
Well, you made it happen for me.
God made it happen for us.
I love you forever.
And I'll love you to the end of time, babes.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
What are you?
For you. Mm-hmm.
What's here?
See for yourself now.
Trousers?
Now check this out.
Shirts?
Yes. You like?
Babes, this is too much. I wasn't expecting all this.
Nothing is too much for you, my boy. Nothing. While I was coming back, I just thought to myself, what should I get for my baby? Then I saw this classy boutique. Then I went inside and shopped for all this for you. Because I know you'll be needing them by next week when you start work.
All this for me.
Yes.
How can I repay your kindness and unwavering support?
Oh, babe.
Ever since I met you, you've been nothing but a supportive girlfriend. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
You know, you have shown so much love to this jobless guy. You've got other options. Even your friends thought you were wasting your time with me, but you stood by me.
George, I am not leaving you for anything in this world. I choose you because I am sure you're the right one for me.
And I will forever be indebted to you. Thank you. Oh boy.
Bro, hey, big man.
How you doing?
I'm good, bro. Yeah, thank you very
How was
much.
work?
Well, awesome, great. Just a tiring day. This one is mine. Your green is getting ear to ear. What's going on?
Well, I've got good news, but I need you to guess.
You know I like good news. Yeah, no, this one you're telling me to guess. I don't know how to guess, bro. What is it? Spill.
I got the job.
You don't mean it! Eh? The same Hazel construction company.
The same dream company I've always wanted to work.
Big man! Big man things! Take. Wait, oh. Wow!
I'm telling you.
This calls for celebration, oh.
I swear, big one at that.
Big one, man! Congratulations!
Thanks, bro.
See. Get some drinks.
I'm telling you.
Get some glasses, bro. Wow! Good one. Why are you doing this to me? I really do like you. And I can't get you off my head.
I'm sorry. I can't oblige your request.
Why? Tell me, is it a crime to love someone? Or still another man in the picture or something?
Yes. I have a boyfriend.
Are you trying to scare me away?
I'm sorry, I can't. Excuse me, please.
Hey, bro.
Hey, big man.
Baba.
Uh-uh.
How's it going?
Man, great. How are you?
Very well. I was passing, so I thought to stop by and say hi to you.
Yeah, that's very thoughtful of you. How's Becky?
Ah, she's fine.
You too. You too. You know, I tried offering you a job as a manager in one of our resorts, but you insisted on following your what you studied in school.
Yeah. Well, let's just thank God that I got my dream job. I was going to ask, what's up with the woman you talked about, the one you've been waiting for?
Oh, wow. You know, I met her and I fell for her the first instant. But unfortunately, she has a boyfriend.
Did you go straight to the point? Did you tell her you wanted marriage and not friendship?
George, I don't understand. How would I just see a lady for the first time and talk to her about marriage? Who does that? I mean, she told me she had a boyfriend and I had to leave.
No, you shouldn't have left. See, let me tell you, these girls, they just want to play hard to get. Maybe she was just playing to see if you were serious, you know?
I think so.
I know so. They just tried to play hard. All you needed to do was push. Just add pressure and you see.
I'll give it a thought, okay? I'll give it a thought.
Well, you don't have to give it a thought. Just do the right thing. Go back and pressure her. Do you understand? You will see.
Okay, and it's good to see you. It's good to hear you. What can we offer you?
Aha!
Yeah, I know. I know my little sweetheart. I know. Cheers. So where do you intend to take me to? I'm done. And what if? What if my
What was that you did in the restaurant?
Nothing.
It's nothing.
Yeah, nothing.
That's a lie.
Look, I'm just gonna drop you off, okay, and head back to work.
I need you to take me to your house and make love to me.
Not during work hours. I mean, this is work hours.
I'm not taking no for an answer.
Sharon, this is inappropriate. You're my client.
And you got me turned on. Take me home. Make love to me, okay?
Who is here? Who is here? Who is here? What's wrong with that? Hello? How can you be sleeping here? Please get me rice and eggs.
Gabriela. Gabriela. Sis. Oh, Gabriela. You've been like this since that guy came here a week ago. What's happening?
Beatrice, all I did was to see the authenticity of his love for me.
But you shouldn't have lied to him. Some men are jealous lovers, so lying to him got him jealous.
I thought he was going to ask me the second time, and then I'll say yes.
But you scared him away.
Just wish I'd be given a second chance to right my wrongs.
It's fine, sis. If you guys are meant to be, he will definitely come around.
I saw the look on his face that day when I told him I have a boyfriend. It broke him. Raymond really loved me.
Well, you shouldn't be feeling bad. Like I said before, if you guys are meant to be, he will definitely come around.
I can't stop feeling bad for my loss.
It's okay. It's fine. You have to move on. It's fine. It's fine, sis. Come off it. Okay?
Sharon, we shouldn't be doing this.
Baby, you were good. So good.
Did you hear what I just said?
Please, stop whining. Come on, we're both adults and we enjoyed it, didn't you?
We shouldn't be doing this. I mean, it should be strictly on business.
You caused it all. You ignited these feelings I have inside of me right now. You did. It's your fault. Baby, just give me one more time.
Sharon,
What?
this is wrong. We shouldn't be doing this. I already told you.
I told you to stop whining.
Hey,
Hey, what?
stop. Hey, I have to get back to the office.
And do what?
I have work to do. I have work to attend to.
I'm the work here.
Stop.
Ow! What have I done to myself? What really caused all this? Yeah? For the first time, I'm falling in love with a lady, and she has a boyfriend. And I just discarded what George advised me to do. I shouldn't have taken Sharon to the restaurant in the first place. Oh, jeez. How do I get her back around now? How?
You, what are you doing here?
Please, is Gabriela in?
I saw you the other day.
Me?
Yes, you. Are you going to stand here and lie to my face?
Look, I'm sorry. I don't know how to convince her that I'm sorry.
Gabriela loves you, but you broke her heart by coming here with a girl,
She's not my girlfriend. She's my client.
and you were frolicking with her.
Please, how do I get to reach her or something?
She already left to Lagos.
Lagos?
Yeah, to ease her mind off you.
Is there a way to reach her? I've been trying to call her, but it's not connecting.
No, she switched off her phone. You really messed up. Yeah, you did. Excuse you.
What have I done? Hey, God. Dawn, you brought my wife to me and I was so insensitive. So insensitive. Eh? Where am I going to look for her now? Gabriella, where am I going to look for her? I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Christ. Please. I find her right now.
I didn't know love exists until I met you. I'm gonna hold on to you, won't ever let you go. Cause my love is here to stay, it will never go nowhere. Even if you don't feel the same, I still run after you until you come right to me. And love me like I love you.
Babe, quit
and
the
hold
drama.
Me like I
know you're
want
acting
you
up.
to. I'm gonna be right by you. I'm gonna be right by you. I'm gonna stay right by you.
Since you're claiming not to know the guy, the reason you left Asaba to Lagos. Babe, whatever you saw there isn't real, okay? He was just trying to spite you. What I think is that you both are meant for each other. Yeah. I know you're trying to change the topic. Okay. Whatever. I'll call you later. I want to go to the market. Okay? Take care. Bye. I miss you already.
Hey.
Don't tell me you're packed here, sulking. Mr. Memo.
Please tell Gabriella that I want her back.
I've spoken with her, and she told me confidently that she has moved on. She has gotten a new man.
I can't move on. I can't. I'm madly in love with her.
I know, but you have to. You really need to move on. Okay?
You know, I've tried calling her severally, but her number seems not to be going through or something.
You don't have to try more. She deleted your number. She also blocked you. Yes, she did. Right before my eyes. Just share up, okay? I advise you move on. Pick the pace of your life. Adjust yourself. Move on. You'll be alright, okay?
Thank you. Thank you, okay?
Have a good one.
Alright, please watch, okay? Easy.
Have a nice day.
So bye.
What's going on? Huh? It's almost 1 in the morning and he's not back. Raymond doesn't stay out this late. It's ringing and he's not picking his calls. I hope something has not happened to my brother. What's going on? I don't even know where to go search for him. I just hope he's safe. But why is he not picking calls? Bro, you're here. Have you been drinking?
I've been drinking with my mouth.
Why? What's going on?
She left me, bro. What would I have done?
Who left you?
The love of my life left me for another man. Why?
Wait. You're in love with a girl and you never mentioned it to me?
I fell for her. I fell for her. Yet she left me for another man. Bro, why? I mean...
Honestly, you are confusing me. You don't believe in love and all of a sudden you are in love with this girl and this girl left you for another man.
Take a look at me. No, just take a look at me. What don't I have? I look good. I'm rich. I'm every lady's spec. What else seems to be the problem? Why would she leave me for another man? Why? If I don't get married to that lady, I'm gonna die single. I'm gonna die single, bro.
Is this reality? All of a sudden, you're in love with a girl and this girl left you to be with another man. My brother is talking about feelings. Got the whole world in your hands. You got the whole world in your hands. Bro. Are you still sleeping?
Yeah.
Oh.
Shit.
How was your night?
Bad. Bad, man.
You came back drunk. What happened?
I don't want to talk about it.
But you already talked about it.
I did?
Yeah, you talked about the girl that left you for another guy.
What did I say?
Well, you said a lot of things, but you made mention of this girl that left you to be with another guy. Who is she? Why are you hissing?
Look, George, I just don't want to talk about this whole thing.
But anyways, breakfast is ready.
I'm not hungry. I'll just shower and just rest.
Wait, are you doing this because a girl left you for another guy? That's why you're starving yourself. You don't want to eat. Have you looked at yourself in the mirror? You are handsome. You are doing well in business. Any girl that will leave you for another guy does not deserve you. So I suggest you move on with your life. I'm gonna forget her. The one that is yours will come your way.
But she's the one I want, bro. Yeah.
My brother is such an unbelievable person. The same guy who never believed in the existence of the 4-letter words is a total mess of himself because of the same love he never believed existed. The first time he's fallen in love and it didn't work out well. I'm so super happy. Finally, we are done.
Yes, we made it.
You know I love you so much, right?
And I love you too.
With all my heart. Look who we have here. My brother. My brother is here.
Look at this love,
Good
babe.
afternoon, Bros Ray.
Good afternoon.
How you doing?
I'm good. So you love this man?
Like I love him with my whole heart.
Okay. Have you not heard that love doesn't exist?
Love does exist.
Oh, really?
Yes. And why, if I may ask?
My dear, money answers all things. Look, when you have money, everything comes to place.
Babes. Just leave my brother out of it. He doesn't believe in love. He just believes in money, money, money.
Exactly.
But really, love really does exist. And love is a feeling that you should experience though.
Okay, enough of the preaching. Babe, your driver is waiting for you. Come and go home, please.
Okay. Bye. Bros Ray.
Bye.
Bye.
I'll see you later.
Okay.
Call me.
Okay.
Take care, baby.
Okay.
You know, I pray love happens to you so that you experience what it feels like. It's a beautiful thing.
My brother, look. Trust me, I don't believe in love. And what I don't believe in doesn't work for me, you know? It doesn't come to me.
Well, when the time comes, you would see.
Oh, okay. Anyways, do you know what honey is?
Honey, of course, it attracts bees and...
Exactly, that's who I am. I'm sweetness. I'm sweetness. I'm honey. Look, when you have money, you attract all these things. I mean, you attract the ladies. What don't I have? I have money. I'm good looking. I have an amazing job. Look, I'm every lady's prayer point. What else again do I need love for, my brother? Yeah, no, tell me, what do I need love for? Because I can basically get anyone, any girl I want. Okay? So please keep that matter, man. And yeah, welcome to the labor market.
Finally.
Congratulations, my man.
Thanks a lot, bro.
Congratulations.
Thanks,
Yeah.
brother.
So, concerning the offer I was telling you about, are you still ready to work with us?
No. I don't want to work in your firm. Look, I'm an engineer. I want to be in my field, man. I've got prospects. I've got plans. I'm telling you.
Okay. No worries. I'm sure you're ready enough to know what you want.
Yeah, I've got this big company, Henzel. I don't know if you should know Henzel,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
You know, they only take first class graduate mostly, and I'm sure I'm qualified. I'm going to probably put up applications and send my CV across to see what's up.
Okay. Awesome. All right, so we are close to home.
I'm actually hungry. I think we should go to a restaurant first because hunger they catch me.
All right, no problem. We just stop by somewhere.
All right. Oops. So that's welcome.
Awesome. Good to have you back, man.
The same guy that doesn't believe in love drank himself to stupor because of love. So because a woman left him for another guy, he decided not to eat. My brother decided to starve himself today. When I told him love is a beautiful thing, what did he say? Nah. So what's happening now? What's going on now?
Hi. Hi.
What are you doing here?
Baby, it's the weekend, so I came to see you.
Why?
Why? I miss you.
Hey.
Why are you shoving me?
Look, the last time was a mistake and I apologized for it. Okay? This shouldn't be happening.
Really?
Yes, really. See, my girlfriend is in Lagos and I can't be cheating on her.
It's perfect. Yes, perfect. She's in Lagos, I'm in Asaba. She won't even smell a thing.
Sharon, what is your problem? This can't work. Don't you get it?
No, I can't get it. Because I want you.
Nothing can happen between us. Don't you get it? I already apologized. The last time was a mistake. Don't you get it? I can't cheat on my girlfriend.
You can and you will.
Look, what do you want?
I want you. I want a relationship.
Hey, I cannot date you. I'm sorry.
Why not? Because of the girl in Lagos?
You're not my kind of girl.
Says who? Why would you even say that?
You know what? I know what you want. You want to come back here the second time and sleep with me and come back after 1 month and tell me you're pregnant for me. Oh, I see. I'm a mind reader, right? I can see what's going on here. No, I'm a ritualist. If you don't leave my house this minute, I will use you, sacrifice you to my gods. Get out of my house!
Daddy, sorry. I'm sorry.
My brother's girlfriend visited.
Are you sure about this?
Yes.
Wow. She must be beautiful. Is she beautiful?
They said beauty is in the eyes of the beholder.
This one you're talking like this. Are you sure she is beautiful and posh?
When you come, you will see her and judge for yourself.
Okay, oh. Just pray she's beautiful, Sha. Let's go now.
Yeah.
Hey! What did they pursue you?
Please, open the gate for me.
Open the gate for what did they pursue you?
Please, my life is in danger.
Which danger? Who put your life for danger?
Your boss is a ritualist.
My boss is a ritualist. So what are you doing inside that place? You don't know what.
You
You are not going to say it. You make a test of them. God, they okay.
He's okay. Are you okay? It's okay. Do
I
this.
said, stay here. You are what people do.
Hey, hold up. Bring us to the chambers.
Oh, Uncle, please.
Bring us to my chambers.
Stay here.
Let me explain.
Stay here.
You can explain what? Silas, bring us to my chambers.
I'll go arrest you now.
Hey,
Let's go.
Sir, wait.
The next time I see this your two left leg in front of my gate, I'll use you for sacrifice.
Hey!
Did you hear me? Now get out. Get out of my house.
I'm going.
How is it?
I'm going. I'm very sorry.
Hi. Oga. So we can leave her.
Nonsense. Just imagine. All these girls. No, let me see your leg in this house again. Just take a look at this girl, though. So she came all the way for me to sleep with her again. I'll not even make that mistake. Same thing that make me lose my Gabriela. I'm sure with what has happened, she will not bring her miserable self to this house again. These girls.
Good afternoon.
Please, what would you like to have? We have chicken steaks, lamb chops, steaks, fried rice, jollof rice, whatever you want.
Babes, what would you like to have?
I'm not really sure about their meals.
Oh, their meals are dope. I got to know about this place through my brother. He comes here to eat all the time.
Are you sure about that?
100%.
Okay.
We're the best when it comes to intercontinental and continental dishes.
And why are you hyping yourself?
We're the surest plug.
Okay then. I'll do rice and goat meat.
Breast. What about
I'll have
you?
the same as my woman.
Don't worry. It tastes to convince you. I'm coming.
I'll be waiting. She's beautiful, you know.
She's beautiful. You know, Raymond comes here to eat. I wonder how he hasn't noticed her. It's crazy.
But you know, these things has to do with choice. Maybe she's not Raymond's specular.
Have you taken a very good look at her? She is cute. She's gorgeous. You know, ever since that girl rejected Raymond, he's been acting weird. I don't know what's wrong with him.
You must really love her, bro.
He thought to give love a chance and it didn't end well. But I'm sure he's going to be fine.
I feel for him.
Yeah, he'll be fine.
Let her bring the food first.
Are you that famished?
The way she was hyping the food now, I just want to eat.
She's coming, don't worry.
Okay.
Hello. Thank you for contracting Ray's Africa Resorts. How can we be of help to you? Oh, yeah, we have the best swimming pools, recreational centers for kids and adults. We assure you comfort and luxury. So, oh, you're coming in from the States? No, there's no problem at all. We assure you comfort and luxury. Yes. When are you coming in? Tomorrow. Okay, I'll drivers will be at the airport to pick you up. Just send in your details to our email and we'll take it up from there. You have no problem. Thank you for contacting us. All right. Yeah, bye.
Hello.
Take care for anything, sir.
No, can you please call the waitress that attended to me earlier on?
Gabriela.
Right, yes, sir.
Sure, sir. Thanks. Sir,
Hi.
you came back?
I had to. Please sit.
Well, I hope there's no problem.
No, I wanted to talk with you.
Talk? About what?
Just relax. Firstly, my name is Engineer George, and the lady I came here with earlier on is my girlfriend. What's your name?
Gabriela.
Gabriela. Has anyone told you that you are so beautiful and well endowed?
I'm flattered.
But you know I'm not flattering you. You are graciously made. I would like to peep into your private life. Just a little bit.
But you have a girlfriend.
Well, it's all for good.
Granted.
Perfect. Tell me about yourself.
Well, I'm a graduate of theatre arts from the University of Lagos.
Wow. Theater art. So you want to be an actress? Well, that's nice. Do you have a guy that you are seeing?
Why do you ask?
Like, I'm trying to find out if you're in a serious relationship or you're engaged.
No.
So if a guy comes now and asks for your hand in marriage, what would be your response?
Are you looking for a wife?
Like I told you, the young lady that I came here with is my woman, and by God's grace, I want to spend the rest of my life with her. But let me break it down for you. I have an elder brother, and he's searching for a wife. I would want you to meet him. See, let me tell you, he's the kind of guy that you fall for on mere seeing him. He's handsome, he's rich, and he's kind. I want you to meet him. Come on.
Okay.
Okay, that's perfect. So let's say Sunday afternoon, 2 p.m. Like after service, we can go see him. Relax, you like him. So let me get your digits. We're done. Okay, so let me get your number. I'll call you. I'll call you. It's nice talking with you. That girl is so beautiful. I'm sure Raymond is going to like her. I mean, who wouldn't like such an angel? But I'm surprised he hasn't seen this girl because he practically goes to that restaurant every afternoon to eat. Could he be blind? Because honestly, I want to settle down and I wouldn't want it to seem as though I got married before my elder brother. Henna, you don't believe in love. You don't even have feelings for this girl. So I'm sorry, man. I think you just have to go with the option that grandma gave us, man.
Which is?
Driving down to the village and choosing a wife from there.
George, are you okay? As in, you expect me to drive to the village and pick a village girl to marry?
Hey now, you don't fancy city girls. According to you, they are not wife materials. Hey, you just have to do what grandma said now. And I would have gotten married if not you.
I don't understand. If not me, how?
I told you I want to get married. And I don't want a situation where you would feel like I got married before you. That's what I'm telling you now.
You want to get married?
I want to get married.
Marry now. What's stopping you from getting married?
Are you sure?
Look, George, you don't have a job. You eat my food. You stay in this house. You drive my cars. And yet you're here talking about marriage.
Look, I love my beautiful angel Becky. And I want to get married to her. I wouldn't want a situation where one of these rich city boys will come and take her away from me.
Okay. Let me ask you a question. When you get married to your Becky, where are you going to take her to?
Well, see one thing about this life.
And
step by step. And when I get to that bridge, I'll cross it.
I see. George.
This is exactly 2 years we had that conversation. And he hasn't found a girl yet. The last time he said he met a girl and told the girl how he feels about her, the girl told him that he has a boyfriend. Instead of him to follow up and find out if the girl was serious, he just left. Well, since he's finding it so difficult to get himself a woman, I've taken it upon myself to find him a wife. I mean, Gabriella is beautiful. I'm sure he's going to like Gabriella. Gabriella, yes. That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do.
Here. Oh, I can see your car.
Oh my word. Girl, you look so beautiful. Wow. Well, my brother better appreciate this because, girl,
Please, it's okay. You have your way with words. It's okay. Let's go, Joe.
All right, let's go. Come here. Careful. What?
What?
Yeah.
Hey, bro.
Hey, big man.
How's it going?
What brings you?
Oh, someone is here to see you.
Who is the person?
Well, you might or might not know her, but I'm sure she's someone that you'll be happy to see.
She? George, who is this person you're talking about?
I brought you a wife.
George, are you looking for a girlfriend for me?
I said I brought you a wife.
I don't understand, George. Wait, let me get this thing straight. I already gave you the permission to marry Becky. What is your problem?
See, I'm just a concerned brother looking out for you. And it go too sweet me if you first marry. Do you understand? I don't want you to look like I'm just trying to do my stuff and you are not following up.
Anyways, I told you that there's just one woman I want to get married to. If she's not coming forth, then I'll just remain a bachelor.
See, like I said earlier, I'm sure you'd like to see this person, and this girl is beautiful. She's amazing. And if you don't like her, you can take a walk. Can you just come see her?
Sure, okay. No problem. Let me just... let me just close this up.
Yeah, just close it. I'll be waiting downstairs.
Alright, no problem.
Alright. See you.
Obiora, I am not lying to you. Gabriela just left the house.
To where?
How am I supposed to know? Am I her keeper?
Come on, really? You're her sister. At least there's no way she's going to leave the house without you knowing where she's going to. She telling you where she's going to.
Obiora, Gabriela is an adult. And she has a life to live. Okay?
Okay, but I told you how much I love her. I told you I want her and I want to marry her.
Yes, you did. But I'll talk to her. Okay?
Are you sure you've been passing my message to her?
Of course, I have. But you have to understand that so many men want Gabriela, including you.
But I'm different. I'm Obi Malay. I want to marry her. I don't want her for friendship. Those men are not me. They're not Obi Malay. Did you even tell her, you know, what I'm capable of doing? I want to take care of her. I could even take her overseas. Seriously, I could take her to Malaysia. I don't mind. I want the Malaysian guys to know that, yes, I've got a good wife. I've got a wife in her.
Okay. Okay, but I have to start going. I'm tired. I need to rest.
No, you've tried. I really appreciate your time.
No problem.
Yeah, what about Mom? It's been long. I've not seen her for a while now.
Mom is fine. She's fine.
Okay, that's great. You sure? I've not been seeing her.
She's fine. Just old age, and she has arthritis. That's all.
Oh. Of course, you know, old age is always linked with arthritis, but that's really not very good news anyways. But how's she going now anyways?
She's on medication.
I would have said, you know, come take her to a good hospital for proper medical attention.
Never mind.
You sure?
We're taking care of her already.
Okay, you're doing well anyway. But anything, just let me know, okay?
Alright.
Please don't forget my message. I'm hoping for a positive response this time around. Okay.
Talk to her, but she's an adult.
I know.
I won't force her.
But I trust you too.
I'll still talk to her.
Okay.
But I won't force her.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright, okay.
See you.
No worries, okay.
Have a
Thanks for your
nice
time. Oh, you too,
Alright.
dear. Okay. Don't forget, please. I'm really hoping you can do this.
It's okay.
Okay, alright, okay.
I'll try my best.
Alright.
He's going to join us very soon. So tell me, what do I offer you?
I don't know why I feel this good from all of them.
Come off it. Let me tell you, you're a very beautiful woman. And I'm sure the moment my brother set his eyes on you, he will fall for you. So relax. Calm down.
Like, I have never done this before. And I don't think I can stand the shame if things go south.
Look, there's always a first time. And I'm super convinced that he's going to like you. Huh? Aha! That's my brother.
Gabriela.
Raymond.
I thought I lost you.
So sorry.
I'm sorry too, Gabriela. Please. Gabriela.
No, I am not sorry. I'm sorry for walking away.
I'm sorry. Look, find a place in your heart to forgive me, please.
I forgive you. I'm so happy to see you.
Okay. you, bro. Thank you.
He's your brother?
Well, you didn't tell me you're the lady that tried to kill my only brother.
Wait. Did you at any point contemplate suicide?
Your sister told me you blocked me and left.
I had to. You caused it.
I know. I didn't even know what I was thinking. Look, the whole thing happening in the restaurant was just to make believe. I was only trying to... You know what? I didn't know what I was thinking, but it's good to have you here. Hey. Okay. Come. To show you. Thank you, bro.
Yeah,
see you later.
Until I met you, I'm gonna hold on to you. Won't ever let you go. Cause my love is here to stay. We'll never go nowhere. Even if you don't feel the same, I still run after you.
I'm
Until
coming
you
for
come
you.
right to me and love me like I love you.
You know, now that my brother has found his lost love, I'm super excited. Like, I'm so happy because we need to start planning our wedding.
Plan which wedding?
Babe, my brother has found love now. So the next thing is for us to start planning marriage.
What is wrong with you? Why can't you just be serious for once in your life? Must you take everything as a joke?
What do you mean by blabbing some kind of shit? Is it not time?
Who does that? Was that how your mom got married to your dad?
That one concerned them. Me, I'm facing her. I want to get married to you.
Bushman. Sometimes you behave like an illiterate. You know, right?
Me, an illiterate, a first-class graduate. Like, are you playing? Are you playing?
I know. I know you don't really need to remind me. But come to think of it, because Raymond has found his lost love, you don't expect him to jump into marriage without a relationship or a courtship.
Well, this one that you're already talking about, relationship and courtship, see, that one no concern me. My own is that I want to get married to my queen, and I cannot wait. You know?
Who did this to you?
Look, nobody did anything to anybody. I'm just stating an obvious fact. I cannot wait to make you my wife.
I know, you have been waiting. You should keep waiting.
How much longer am I going to wait?
For as long as it takes. Do you know what? I am not leaving you for anything. I am stuck here.
You're always trying to brag. What are you feeling like? Please, let's go into the town and have fun.
To where in particular?
Anyway, we'll find ourselves.
Okay.
Let's go.
Until you come right to me and love me like I love you and hold me like I want you to. I'm gonna be right by you. I'm gonna be right by you. I'm gonna stay right by you. I'm gonna do right by you.
This one we've been driving round and round in circles. Where are we even headed to?
Nowhere in particular.
So why did you come out?
Because I wanted to give my brother some privacy with his future wife.
I don't get you. So because of Raymond and Gabriella, you left the house to give them space?
Exactly.
But you know your presence wouldn't have done any harm to them now.
Well, you know my brother Ray. I just wanted them to have some little moment together. He's a shy guy.
Eh? You say? Hey, Bros Ray. You say what? Bros Ray, your brother, a shy type. That one that have been with countless numbers of women in the past. Is it that one that you're calling shy? Oga, close that one, please. Just say you came out to see your baby girl.
Oh yeah. You don't catch me. Calm down.
So why are you lying before?
What do you want me to say before?
So where are we going to now? You really just be taking me around like that.
Okay. I'll just turn. Let me just turn here so that we go back to your house. We are going to your house.
My house?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
That is what you would have just said that you want to go to my house rather than beating around the bush all the time.
No, but actually, I just wanted them to just have some time. But I don't deny the fact that I miss you. I mean, you're my queen. You're my priceless. The mother of my unborn children. My one and only. My queen.
Hey, let's go.
You want to drive?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm okay.
Yeah, sure. So I'm your driver now. Like,
yes,
you're seeing me at your driver now.
Keep driving me. You drive me for the rest of your life. Keep driving.
Are you playing?
I say keep driving. Move. Ahead. Go.
So, I couldn't sleep that night.
And you decided to retaliate by bringing her over.
Sharon was just my client. I decided to take out for lunch that day.
Same thing you told Beatrice. But how come you were all over her that day and she played along? Were you both in it together?
No. Truthfully, no. I didn't even tell her anything. I never knew she was nursing feelings for me, which she couldn't even tell me.
What?
Yeah. I just want to pay you back for causing me so much pain, which I ended up making the worst mistake of my life.
How do you mean?
Gabriela, I want to marry you and make you my wife. That's if you would let me.
Why wouldn't I let you?
You'd marry me?
Of course.
Really? Yeah. George! She said yes! Yes! I'm so sorry. Come here. Hey. Oh my God, I thought I lost you. A minute. So, I got this ring from one of my trips abroad. Kept it for that special one. And I know it's you.
Here.
Okay.
Life is hard to understand, but things happen with a reason. So don't mess with the desperate heart, cause they can do undo just to get what they want.
I love you.
Oh, yes. Let things to
so
flow.
Thank you.
Don't get it so twisted. Let things to go naturally.
Bro, your brother is about to walk the aisle with the love of his life.
See who's excited. I told you love will happen to you.
Indeed. Indeed, love has caught up with me. Gabriela is the most beautiful thing that has happened to me.
Hey! Bro, tell me, how did you go?
Bro, I just proposed. She said yes. George! What? She said yes, man! Yes!
Congratulations!
I just proposed and she said yes, bro.
Mo. Are you serious?
I kid you not, bro. I kid you not. And guess what? She's still a virgin.
Nah lie. Nah lie. Wait. This is unbelievable. Wait, are you trying to tell me that beautiful, curvaceous girl is a virgin?
100%. Let me tell you, see, we're having this romantic, touchy, lovey-dovey, and I was about to do my thing. My brother, when I went there, it was, what? Bro, look, she was even begging me to do, but the guy man was scared. Look, that is the best gift she's about to give to me.
God just bless you.
My brother, I serve a living God.
God just butter your bread.
What God cannot do does not exist.
Hey!
I have a very big God, always by my side. A very big God, by my side, by my side. Hey! What is this? Ready? Come in. Thank you, Silas. How are you?
Silas, bring it. Wait. Here, for you.
All this for me. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Honey, I hope you enjoyed your outing.
Of course I did.
Look at you looking all pretty. I was just staring.
Our wife.
Yes.
You are here.
Yes.
Bro.
How are you? Work and everything.
Very well. So where is this couple bowling in from? You guys went to the resort?
Yeah, we did. And we had to go to a couple of places. You know how women can be now. She wanted to branch a fast food and get stuffs. Typical women.
With their wahala.
I'm telling you.
I'm taking a session to that. Please. Anyway. I got this for you.
You got this for an old man like me.
Please. Last I checked, no one is too old to receive special treats from someone.
Well, I'm too old to be treated like a toddler.
Hey, how old are you?
Currently 70, going to be 71 in 2 months.
70 years old man. Anyways, so we just got in and I'm going to be taking my woman upstairs to continue the treats. While you can continue with your work, sweetheart.
What treat?
Come on. Let me get this for you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Our wife.
Yes, our wife.
The only approved wife. Wow. Honestly, I'm super excited. Finally, I feel married now. Yes, now. If you marry, I marry. Game balance.
What?
Nothing.
My love. Don't give me that nothing whatever. You practically fixed your gaze at me as if I did something wrong. What is it?
I thought the food you got was for us, so why did you give it to George and Silas?
Baby, we had a feel at a restaurant. What's wrong with getting something we had over there for your kid brother and Silas?
Is this how you're going to be throwing my money around?
Throwing your money around? Come on. Babe, it's not like that. Giving is living.
Oh, giving is living. I suffer to make money. Okay? So I would not have you lavish my hard-earned money, you know?
No, this is where I get mad at you. Giving is my life. And if you're going to front at my lifestyle, then there's no point getting married. I'll just walk out of that door and you will never see me again. What's all this about?
I'm always saying if you get to spend my money like this, to finish. That's what I'm saying.
Your money will not finish. Who has ever gone bankrupt by giving? Who? I'm surprised you're angry because I bought food for your kid brother and Silas.
Look, don't get it twisted. I never said so.
So what's the fuss about?
Hey, I was just joking. I'm serious. I was just teasing you. Come here. I mean, babe, I'm sorry. I'm serious. I was just teasing you. I'm sorry. I mean, you're selfless. I've never met someone like you. I'm sorry, Please, I just wanted to know your take on it. I'm so sorry.
That was just more than a joke.
I know. You need to see your face. You're so... Did you want to beat me up? Come here. I love you so much.
Don't do that again.
I know. I'm sorry.
Didn't know love exists until I met you. I'm gonna hold on to you. Won't ever let you go. Cause my love is here to stay. Will never go nowhere. Even if you don't feel the same, I surround after you.
Hey.
So you come right to me.
This Morga's wife is beautiful inside and out. She give fine face, give fine heart. Hey, see me now, Silas. Silas the gate man, they eat jollof rice with plenty meat. Yeah. Listen, we cook this rice, eh? Depends on we cook. Come spice on. You know. Come the flush and down with. Hi. My God go bless this Morgan's wife. She get good heart. Fine woman with fine heart.
Hey.
Hey, darling.
Hello.
Yeah.
You're working.
Yeah, I was, but I decided to come check on my wife and see what she's doing.
Well, as you can see, I'm cooking.
And what is cooking?
Starfish.
I can smell it.
Yes, I'm trying to make salad soup.
Wow, I love masala soup.
I know you do.
I can't wait to have this sumptuous meal.
Of course. Also be done.
Okay, so can I help you pound the seed?
How did you know they use uziza in cooking masala soup?
Because I love the soup, so I definitely know the ingredients.
Really?
Yes.
Hey, I'm surprised.
I feel proud of myself already. So, where is it? Let me help you. So I can do
You
one
really
or two
want to
things.
help me?
Yes, of course, I want to help you. Should I do this?
It's just there. The thing is there.
Okay. Right
In the
over there.
blender.
Alright.
Until you come right to me and love me like I love you and hold me like I want you to. I'm gonna be right
The aroma of this delicacy is inviting.
Baby's called in salad soup.
Oh, yes. And I trust it's going to be yummy.
Becky, you love it.
Really? Okay.
Please, what are you doing with fork and knife?
So it's with it.
No, this meal is tastier when you use your hand. Come on.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Yeah.
My love, this is so good.
I told you love it.
I know.
This is nice.
Gabriela, I must confess, you are the world's best chef. Like, you cook more than Hilda Bassi herself, I swear.
Babe, I'm gonna have this for lunch tomorrow. So before I go to work, kindly package some for me while I take to the office and pounce on during lunch hours.
It's fine, I will. I'm happy you all love my meat.
I love it.
We do. Hey, I love you to the moon and back.
I love you more.
Guys, can we just enjoy this meal in peace?
What's wrong with this one?
He's jealous.
Jealous of what?
Oh, are you playing?
Yes, come in. Please sit. I would Be with you in a jiffy. I said you should have your seat. Please, I will. Hey.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
What's wrong? What wrong did I do to Raymond? In what way did I offend him? What did I do differently for him to do this to me? I caught him pants down, making out with the same girl he lied to me about. That is his client. What if one of his workers had barged in on them in such a compromising manner? Oh, no, I'm done. I'm done. I'm not doing this with a cheat. I'm not doing this with a cheat. I'm done. Leave that gate open. I'm leaving now.
You no go better for that Sharon. You no go better for you. You no go better for you for this house. You no go better for you. You go there here when you go. You no go better for you.
So tell me, did you enjoy it?
Yes. It was good. So good.
I told you I was the best in the game.
How can I forget? So, how about your girlfriend?
Who's my girlfriend?
Gabriela. The one that ran out in tears and shock.
Is that the name of a person?
You're getting married to her next week.
I'm getting married to you. Come next week, Saturday.
Are you sure?
Should I show you how sure I am?
Stop.
With this amazing waist of yours. Hmm? Hmm?
Stop. So we're getting married?
Of course we are.
Show me.
What's going on?
What is it?
Gabriela, you're sounding rather irrational. It's me now, Obi Malay now.
Please, just stay away from me. You men are all the same.
Gabriela, what's going on? You're looking so upset. This is not like you. What's going on? Perhaps we can talk about it, man. Please. Let's just perhaps drive somewhere and have a talk. Gabriela. Let me drive you to wherever you're going. It's me, Obi.
Sis. Sis. You're crying.
Beatrice.
And you're here with your box. Sis, what happened? Talk to me, what happened? Did you fight with your husband? Sis, what happened to your husband? Come.
We broke up.
Broke up? Come. Sit. Sit, please. How? Sis, broke up how?
Beatrice, I'm done. I'm done with Raymond.
Done how? You're already married traditionally. And your wedding is just in 1 week.
Beatrice, Raymond is a cheat. A dirty cheat.
Cheat how? Explain to me.
Would you believe it? I caught Raymond pants down with the same girl he's been lying to us about.
What?
Same girl.
You're joking, right? No, you're joking. You're joking. I don't believe this.
I'm done. I can't do this.
Yeah.
I am going back to Lagos with night boss this night. I am done. I'm done. Don't touch me! Don't even try it. Stay the hell away from me, you men! I'll cheat! You'll cheat!
Come!
What's going on?
I don't know. She's the right person to say that to you.
I saw her on the roadside with her box, sulking. I tried talking to her, but she kept mute. She didn't, in fact, she was so, I don't know.
Maybe I don't know. Just start going, please.
Please, B, you can tell me anything, please. You know I can take bullet for her, please. Whatever it is.
I don't know anything. Please start going. Please.
If you say so, but can you tell her how much I love her? I really love her and I mean well for her, you know that.
I will.
Please.
Just go, please. Come back later, please.
Well, can you just tell me if there's anything that...
I don't do anything. I don't know, please.
Just tell her I love her, please.
Okay. I really wish she would end up with him. But we still have other things to do.
Like what?
Like the dream.
Bro.
Hey, George.
I need to talk to you.
Right now?
Yes. Can she excuse us? I need us to talk.
She can be here. You can talk to me. Okay? Oh, honey, just give me a second.
Sure.
What is this I heard you did?
I don't know. What did you hear?
Why did you let your wife go?
Which wife?
You need to go get her back.
George, what's going on? This is my wife. I'm supposed to get married to next week Saturday.
I am talking about Gabriella. You know what it took you to get that girl. Let's go get her back.
Are you okay, George? I mean, look at my beauty. Look at the love of my life. The love of my life.
And you, what have you done to my brother, you daughter of Jezebel?
Oh, darling, nothing. I just came back to get what was mine already.
You're a thief, and you will never have my brother. I promise you.
Stop ranting.
Did you say I'm ranting?
George, what's going on? You came in here and you noticed that we're having a chill time. Could you give us some privacy?
Raymond, Gabriella is to
George, privacy. Baby. So, where were we?
The wedding.
The wedding? It's gonna be awesome. Like, it's gonna be the talk of town.
Magical.
What kind of a thing is this?
And what's keeping Becky?
Sir, I think you should call her on phone to know where she is. Here she comes, sir.
Babe.
What is going on?
We have to go in search of Gabriella now.
Did you mean it when you said she left?
I can't possibly be joking with something as serious as that.
Oh my God. And where is her husband?
Which husband? Babe, please, let's go.
Go where now? We have to go with Raymond. We all have to go to search for her. What really transpired between them?
Salas told me that Gabriella walked into the house to find Raymond on bed with that prostitute of a thing that I told you about the other day. She walked out of the house with her boss, feeling heartbroken.
And this is not adding up. One whose wedding is just in a week's time should do well to avoid any form of temptation.
Exactly my point. That girl is up to some mischief.
So what do you think we should do now? Should we go to our cousin's restaurant to search for her?
She must have gone back there.
And who are you calling?
Raymond. He needs to come look for his wife. His wedding is in a week's time. He's not picking.
And why is he not picking?
He's not picking. He's probably too busy to notice his phone is ringing. God, I pray history does not repeat itself again.
History? What do you mean by that? Ha! In-law.
Beatrice.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm good.
Is she in? Gabriela?
No. She already left to Lagos.
What?
Lagos? Oh, yeah. She said her marriage has ended. Hence her decision of going back to her parents' house.
This cannot happen. Look, I've been trying to call her and her number is not available.
Do you have any other number we can call her with?
She switched all her phones off.
Jesus. No. This cannot happen. This cannot happen.
But George, take me to Raymond. I need to get something straight, please. Come and take me to Raymond's house. Please.
Babe, let's go.
What's funny?
But that's it now.
Why are you laughing?
No one.
Why are you excited? Why are you excited?
Because actually I love you. Let's go eat. Could you love it?
That is the man you came to see.
Raymond, what is going on here?
I don't understand, George. Where did you bring these battalions from?
Your wife has gone back to Lagos and you are here, babysitting an overgrown baby.
What is really going on here? This is unbelievable.
The same thing that happened to my father is about to happen to my brother.
What? Will you get off my in-law?
You hit me.
And I'll hit you again! Now, whatever you did to him, undo it right now. Why are you quiet? Why are you not saying anything? Why are you not doing anything?
I slapped my woman on the face. Who gave you that right? Look, by the time I opened my eyes, you should have disappeared from my house!
What are you waiting for?
That's what you become.
What are you waiting for?
If you try it, don't you dare! Look at what you've become! You now raise your voice and hit women! That is who you were trained to be!
You see, I better go outside, be speaking big English. Go outside!
As for you, when I have your time,
Why were you slow?
Hey, sorry.
You are sorry. Don't you know that the way they gave me 2, you give them 4? Eh?
Sorry, okay. Just look at.
Can you imagine?
Sorry. Did he pay you?
Why won't he pay me? Alaji. I'm sorry. Yes, I was watching a movie in the living room. I didn't even notice my phone was ringing. I'm sorry. I'm fine, no. Alaji. I wanted us to have this conversation face to face. You know what? That Kaya matter you gave me worked magic. As I speak to you, yes. Alaji, as I speak to you, his wife has left the house. Anything and everything I say is what I get. Alaji, he's all mine. Alaji, thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, I am super grateful. Trust me. When next I see you, I'm going to give it to you how you like it. From the back, from the front, however you want it. Alaji, I am grateful to you. Yes. Alaji, thank you very much. You know what? Let me call you back, okay? Yes, I will call you back. Thank you very much. Okay. Why did you change the channel I was watching?
Come, score the goal now.
Are you ignoring me?
Let's go, guys.
If you don't want me to descend on you, you better put back the channel I was watching. I'm talking to you!
You know better not to raise your voice at me. It's for your own good, you know.
What are you going to do about it? Are you going to hit me? Just try it. On your life, try it.
You know the only thing that you know how to do is to run your mouth like a parrot. Try as much as taking this remote from me and changing the station, and I will teach you a little lesson.
I think you have forgotten who is in charge. You're not ashamed of yourself. Your mates are out there working, getting their own apartments, getting their own cars. You are here squatting with your brother, being a nuisance to the society. The only thing you do is sit down and watch football all day long. You don't do anything. Take your time, oh. It is better you leave this place because it will not contain the both of us.
Bloody incomplete.
Are you insulting me?
Scallywag.
Are you...
Try it. And I will beat you. I will beat you in a way that your people will not recognize you again. You know me. You know what I can do. You think your Kenyamata will work on me? It's not possible. Try and see. Idiot.
I will deal with you. Trust me. Oh my! I'm so happy.
I know, I'm happy too.
I'm mad with joy. Yeah, because happy is an understatement. I just Some people are going crazy.
Okay, you know what? Let's go in. Okay?
Now?
Yeah, now. I should carry you. I don't have this train to carry you.
You
Okay?
can.
I don't. Yeah.
Satan, shame unto you, all power belongs to Jesus. Satan, shame unto you, all power belongs to Jesus. Satan, shame unto you, all power belongs to Jesus. Satan, shame unto you, all power belongs to Jesus. Nonsense. Come, Sharon or whatever they call your name. Did you not say I was watching the Premier League? Why did you change the station?
Some people jealous me. Some people jealous me. Some people jealous me because of my husband. I will not mind them. I will not mind them. I will not mind them because they are jealous.
Listen, let me tell you. I know that you have used something on my brother. But believe me, very soon it will expire. And I will be the first person to kick you out of this house.
I can see that you have guts. But let me refresh your memory. This is my house, and I call the shots. You better watch your tongue, because I decide what comes in and what goes out of this house.
I have nothing to say to you.
Oh, really? Why don't you bring it on, you miserable fool? Shameless. That's what you are.
Shameless?
Yes.
How am I shameless?
You want me to tell you? Okay, I'll school you. At your age, you're squatting with your brother. And you claim to be a civil engineer.
For the record, I work for Henze Construction Company. I'm entitled to my car and I have a house. And you can also find out how much I earn. You think I don't know what you've done? You have used Kenyamata on my brother. But believe me, very soon it will expire and I will deal with you.
You mean the same Kayamata that Becky used to tie you? Stupid.
Becky, you are nothing compared to Becky. That lady is smart and intelligent. You're a first-class graduate like me, but look at you. Have you looked at yourself in the mirror? You are nothing to write home about. You think I don't know my brother doesn't want you and no man wants you? That's why you use the charm on him. Loser.
Charm? But that charm caught a big fish. And do you know who that big fish is? It's your brother Raymond. Watch yourself. I am warning you. And it's not just a bluff, because I will deal with you.
Look at me in the eyes. Do I look like Raymond to you? Try me and I will beat you blue-black. You crazy fool.
I turned off the TV. What are you going to do about it? Tell me! What are you going to do about it?
The only person I'm respecting is Raymond, my brother. If not...
Where are you going to? Where do you think you are going to?
Young lady, you will get your filthy self out of my way. Did you hear me?
And if I don't? Look, this is my house. You know what? From now on, you're going to remain where you are till I decide where you go to. I am taking...
Are you mad? The next time you try this nonsense!
Raymond! Raymond! Ah! Raymond! Raymond! Baby!
Hello? Which race? I'm not fine. What would you have me do? Stay there and do what? I did what I thought was best for me. Kaya Mata spell, whatever. Raymond brought this upon himself. Look, Beatrice, I am on my way to the hospital. I'm not feeling too good. No, I'm not. Look, I'm not joking. I'm not. We haven't even done it. I'm not. Wait. Beatrice, if Raymond could do this, what can't Obiora, who lives in Malaysia, not do? Men are cheats. It's in their nature. Later.
Damn. I'm so famished. I think I need to call Becky to bring food for me. Yeah, let me call her. Oh! I forgot she went to Port Harcourt for her cousin's wedding. Hungry.
Just imagine the way he's yawning like a goat. Hunger will kill you, dear. I'm not started with you. I will frustrate this boy until he leaves this house for me. You only open all your mouth.
What are you doing?
Do you know you're so cute?
Are you also a seductress?
Stop whining. Come on, George. I like you. Yes. We can both enjoy ourselves and then no one has to know. Okay?
Come, will you take that your dirty mouth out of my presence? You agent of darkness.
You know I fancy you a lot.
Come. What is that your name again? Is something wrong with you? Are you crazy? Don't ever try. You see that nonsense? This nonsense you just displayed.
Stop pretending.
Come on. Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? In your entire life, don't ever try it again. Don't look that cheap to you.
George, how dare you? You pushed me.
And I will slap you if you open your mouth and say any nonsense. If I slap you, you will change color. Try it again and see what I will do to you.
You will slap me. After pushing me, you said you will slap me. You pushed me. And then you say you will slap me. You're finished. Trust me, you're finished.
See, I will so beat you. I will see the way you're seeing me, I have madness, I'm not normal. The way I will beat you, you will not remain the same again, I promise you. Just try any nonsense again in this house.
You will leave this house.
Come on, get out.
You need to get out. You will leave this house. Goat. Abino. Stupid boy, he's not even fine. His brother is even finer than him. Momo. Not even hungry, self.
Hello, babe. Babe, what is going on?
Babe, do you know that good-for-nothing girl called my grandmother a witch? And to think she has the consent of Raymond.
Wait, you mean she called Mama a witch?
I swear, I would beat that girl. I will beat her and nothing will happen.
Babe, I don't think you should do that. Remember, she's your brother's girlfriend.
Girlfriend and not even wife. Do you know that girl told my brother to tell me to wash his car? And not even Silas, me, I should wash his car. It's okay.
And what did your brother say about that?
That I should go and wash the car. Babe, these people are trying to turn me to an errand boy in this house.
Oh my God, what is all this now?
Honestly, I think it's high time I left.
Babe, no now. It has not gotten to that. Just calm down. If you leave that house, they will kill Raymond though. Just calm down.
That stupid girl asked me to sleep with her. And because I refused, she promised to deal with me.
Holy Moses. This is more serious than I thought. And to think that Raymond and Gabriella should be wedded by now. If not for that stupid Sharon that came and obstructed the wedding.
I know what to do. I will go to my maternal home and tell my grandmother everything that is happening in this house.
Do you think you should tell Mama about all this?
Yes, she has to know. I mean, she has to know that we've lost Raymond the same way we lost our father.
Okay, baby, it's fine. Just do the needful, okay?
I sure will.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Sis, must your world fall apart because the love of your life betrayed you? I understand your plight. Really, I know how it feels to be betrayed by the one you love. Okay, what about Obiora? Sis, that guy really loves you from day one, and you know it. Are you kidding me? So you mean you're going to stay without a husband because Raymond messed up? Oh, my sister. You need a good man. You deserve to be happy. Please. So how are your parents? How are they doing? Hope you're having fun.
Do you have any proof?
Evidence.
Show me.
Babe, do you have?
Show me now!
Wait, George, I don't understand. If you don't have evidence against this thing, why are you accusing this woman wrongly? Eh?
You know he does not like me. You don't like me.
Oh.
So you're trying to destroy me.
I see. Anyway, since you don't ever have evidence, so...
I'm not done.
Alaji, I wanted us to have this conversation face to face. You know what? That Kaya matter you gave me worked magic. As I speak to you, his wife has left the house. Anything and everything I say is what I get. Alaji, he is all mine. Alaji, thank you very much. Baby, that's not my voice.
Yes, no. I knew. Like when you're not hearing the way the voice was like... Because that's not the country talk.
Uncle, baby.
Baby. That's our voice, not this thing.
See? I've always known you casted a spell on my brother. Whatever it is that you've done, I swear I will destroy it.
Bros Ray, are you serious about this or you're just acting up? Didn't you hear that voice? That voice is Sharon's voice now.
Were you there when she said, baby? Didn't you hear her voice?
Baby. Let's go so you massage me.
Raymond.
I want to see her. Oh, is that possible? I want her to do what she did to my grandson. Is that possible? Where is she? What? Where is she? Where is she? Thank you. Where's my grandson?
He must be upstairs with that witch.
I want her to do what she did to my grandson. So take me to her. Go see my bono. No, go see my bono. Go see my bono.
Mama, your waist bead.
You like it?
Of course. It looks good on you.
Thank you. You know, I just wear it to watch my weight. I don't want to get fat.
It also looks good on your nudity, you know. Every time I always see you without clothes. Looking all good. Who could that be?
Who else, if not your brother?
Oh.
Babe.
Yeah?
You're here with... I think that woman. Daddy, you're coming?
Who's that?
Hey. Is that what you think? What you go, Emeka? You have been the one giving this fool false hope.
Hey! George! Okay. Why would you bring this woman to come and cause havoc into my house?
This woman.
Why?
Grandma, this woman.
Don't mind you.
Mama, don't put her like that now.
Don't talk. Oh, you casting a spell on my son. That he has to call me Muma, his grandmother, woman.
I don't have time for this one. No. Just leave my Gino. What's the meaning of this nonsense now?
Oh, you have the guts to talk at me up here. Muma.
Yes.
Oh, see, I am here for you today. Is it that you kill me or I kill you?
Why are you standing like
I will not hesitate to send both of you out of this house. Please, leave her alone, please.
Why will I do that?
I will push you.
You cannot.
I'm not bluffing.
I
will push your mother.
You will
You're
not.
just standing like a moron. You're not saying anything. I will push her.
Oh.
I will push you.
See what she has cost. See what she cost you. See what she has turned you into. A moron. And she's insulting me. Oh, in my son's house.
Which son's house? Madam, see, I know you're a witch. I don't have time for you.
Are you mad? Jesus Christ. Are you crazy? George! Don't you respect elders in your house?
Don't mind that.
George!
Okay?
How dare you? Why wouldn't I slap her?
Why would you hit my woman?
See, I'm only
respecting. Why would you hit my woman?
I'm only respecting.
What have you done? What have you done? Leave me alone. What have you done?
Mama, is this nonsense waist bead they put on their waist?
What have you done?
Grandma? Grandma?
Huh?
Oh, George, what's going on? What's going on here now?
Are you back?
George, what's going on here?
Is it
wait,
not...
wait, where's my wife?
What wife?
Baby,
Who
I'm
is this?
here.
George, who is this?
This witch has been living with you for a while now. And she's even the one that made our wife to leave us.
What? Baby, our wedding is next week.
Hey! Don't you dare touch me! Who is this person? George.
She actually used Kenyamata on you.
Kaya what?
Like a spell. She casted a spell on you. See,
Our
you're even lucky I've been in this house.
Where's Capella?
She has left now.
Left to where? She could not stop me.
Stop you.
George.
Our wedding! Privacy! Our wedding!
Shut up. Oh, yeah.
I told you your things. Oh, yeah, go pack your things and get out.
Go pack your things. Pack your things and leave this place.
This one, the almighty Sharon is living with her bag.
She's still here. She has not left. Ikapu.
Why is she living with her bag?
This devil must leave my grandson's house today. She's a devil.
My friend, why are you still standing? Will you get out of this house?
I will not get out. Why are you telling me to get out? I will not get out.
Are you mad? Are you crazy?
No, don't come out. Don't come out for here.
You cannot come in.
Don't use nonsense outside.
See, tell us, don't touch me.
Where do you go?
Don't touch me. Ow.
Are you mad? Are you mad? Don't use nonsense outside.
Take her out. Don't carry her man outside too. Go. Push her outside. Push her
I
outside.
cannot even touch this beauty bag. Come and trash this nonsense.
Take her out. Take her out. Take her out.
Are you mad? Let me say anything that looks like you in this house again. Idiot. My friend, close the gate.
Good riddance to bad rubbish.
Mama.
At last.
Yes, I'm not. Huh? You will die before your time. I swear if I can open the gate for me.
Beatrice, you know how much I love your sister, yet you let her leave.
It'll be alright. My cousin has a mind of her own. I can't make decisions for her.
Despite how much, everything I said, everything, I told you a lot, how much I love her, that I really mean a lot for her. I really wanted to marry her. I still want to. Now you let her with that other guy. Now what's up? The marriage has packed up.
Obiora, what happened to my cousin can happen to anybody.
No. This time around, this is carelessness. Carelessness on the guy's side. Raymond is a womanizer, a chronic womanizer at that. Yes, Raymond is someone who can do anything with anything in skates. Who doesn't know Raymond? Raymond of Ray's Africa Resort? Come on. Because he has money. And so fucking what? So you mean he frolics with girls? Of course. Who doesn't know that? His level of philandering cannot be overemphasized. You know that. I'm actually surprised your sister left me for a Casanova.
My cousin is heartbroken. I feel for her though.
I know. I can only imagine that, but it's not late, Beatrice. You can talk to her. I'm ready to take her back. To give her what Raymond cannot offer to her. I'm ready to make her happy, to make her the woman that she really wants to be. I promise you this.
I'll try. I'll try, okay?
Please.
I will.
So
Silas! 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 Silas, open the gate for me. I want to go and get my wife. What kind of rhetorical question are you asking me? Eh? My wife, Capella, open this gate. Open this gate for me. Are you mad? Are you mad? I'm as confused as ever. Hey, I need to get something clear. How did I end up in the hands of Sharon and not my wife? Eh? Hey! God. I pray I meet my wife in the house. Oh. Hey, I pray I meet my wife in the house. Pass! Hey. Oh. My God. How?
Where is my daughter-in-law?
Mama, I've lost Gabriela. I lost her by sheer pressure, and it's all my fault.
Bro, you've got to put yourself together.
No, you will not lose her.
Mama, Gabriela is even refusing to forgive me. She's not forgiving me at all.
She has every right to be angry with you. You wronged her.
Yeah, I did.
You know, you just have to take it easy. If she loves you, then she will come around.
All I need is a second chance to right my wrongs.
Not to worry. I'll call her and talk to her.
Please talk to her, okay?
I will. No.
Alhaji, that's not why I'm calling you. Not be everything make we do. Alhaji, see, there's fire on the mountain. As I speak to you now, Now street I dey with my box. You know that box where I take come? Now I dey with like this so for streets. They don't pursue me comot for Raymond house. Yes, now that's what I'm saying. And I just see get one old winch wey come the house. Now me and am come dey drag. Next thing she just see my bead. She just cut am. As she cut am, na him Raymond eye come clear. Next thing he just rush comot for her say they go find him wife. Oh, Alhaji, now this woman don comot food for my mouth. I wan make you help me. See, Alhaji, abeg. I wan make you do another one wey strong. Another kayamata wey strong well. Yes, abeg. See me, I believe say Raymond love me. He no just know wetin he dey do. He love me. Okay, na Alhaji, thank you. Thank you. Hey. Yo. Raymond is not okay. Oh. He's not okay, but I know he'll be okay.
My life is a complete wreck. Just a mistake on my path, and it has cost me my marriage. Gabriela, please, forgive me. I wish I could turn back the hands of time. I wish you could come back to me.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, life is hard to understand, but things happen with a reason. So don't mess with the desperate heart, cause they can do undo just to get what they want. Oh, yeah. So let things to flow. Don't get it so twisted. Let things to go naturally. What will be, will be. Oh. Love the sweet. Oh.
I'm sorry too.
I'm sorry. I would never wrong you again. Please. Forgive me, please.
I love you too.
Life is hard to understand, but things happen with a reason. So don't mess with the desperate heart, cause they can do undo just to get what they want. Oh, yeah. So let things to flow. Don't get it so twisted. Let things to go naturally. What will be, will be. Oh. Love the sweet, oh. When you're with the right person, love the sweet, oh. When you're with the right person. So why not allow this to flow naturally? Oh, if I love you, you love me, things will go well, we're gonna feel alright, yeah. Cause nothing lasts forever. So don't mess with the desperate heart, cause they can do undo just to get what they want. Oh, yeah. So let things to flow. Don't get it so twisted. Let things to go naturally. What will be, will be. Oh. Love the sweet, oh. When you're with the right person, love the sweet, oh. When you're with the right person, love the sweet, oh. When you're with the right person, love the sweet, oh. When you're with the right person. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Life is hard to understand, but things happen with a reason. So don't mess with the desperate heart, cause they can do undo just to get what they want. Oh. So let things to flow. Don't get it so twisted. Let things to go naturally. What will be, will be. Oh, oh, oh. Love the sweet, oh. We are the right person. Love the sweet, oh. We are the right person. So why not allow this to flow naturally? Oh, if I love you.